Redring's Reditap requires a 35mm tap hole. There must be a minimum 90mm gap between the tap hole centre and the back wall to allow full handle movement. Please ensure you have suitable domestic hot and domestic cold water pressure before installing the Reditap. Ensure that all water supplies are turned off before removing your old kitchen mixer tap. Ensure that all flexi hoses are in the correct position adjacent to the fixing stud. These include domestic hot, domestic cold, boiling water feed from the tank to the Reditap, and finally a cold water feed to the boiling water tank. Fix the base plinth and the correct seal to the base of the Reditap. Place the Reditap centrally, including the fixing stud and flexi hoses straight through the tap hole. If the tap is to be fitted to a stainless steel sink, then the white triangular plate supplied should be fitted to improve the stability of the tap. Using a 13mm box spanner or small adjustable spanner, tighten the fixing nut onto the fixing stud whilst ensuring there are no kinks in the flexible hoses. Make sure that all protective packaging from the boiling water unit has been removed. The drain valve needs to be fitted as high as possible. The drain level of the valve must not be lower than the base of the sink. The boiling water unit can be freestanding or mounted onto the wall inside the cupboard. When locating the boiling water unit, be sure to consider the location of the drain valve to the boiler, the location of the electric supply, and how much access will be required to remove and service the unit. If the boiler is being mounted on the wall, lift off the cover complete with the thermostatic knob to expose the mounting holes. When fastened, refit the cover and press the knob into position. Connect the hot tube from the drain valve to the hot outlet of the boiler. The pipe needs to be a smooth run with no kinks or sharp bends. The tube can be cut to suit your particular installation. To optimise the performance of the unit, this length needs to be kept to a minimum. Fully insert the cold connection blue tube into the boiler inlet. Connect the other end to the water feed connection of the 3-in-1 tap using the adapter supplied with the Reditap. The length of the tubes can be cut to suit your particular installation, and the ends should be cut to a square cut to ensure a good seal. Connect the drain valve assembly to the open hot delivery of the tap. You may wish to leave this connection loose until the final position of the valve is known. Be aware of kinks in the tubing and also consider the location of the boiler in relation to the valve. A shorter run will ensure minimum heat loss. Ensure all connections are tightened to prevent any leaks from occurring. Turn on the water supplies and allow the unit to fill before plugging in and turning on. Plug in your boiling water unit. Carefully follow the commissioning procedure to achieve the optimum outlet temperature. Your Redring Reditap is now ready to provide instant boiling water for a variety of uses.